How to use Reddit. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, which is Reddit. If you're new to this platform, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of using Reddit, from creating an account to engaging with communities and even pro tips. So let's dive in. So what exactly is Reddit? Reddit is a vast online community where people from all over the world come together to share, discuss, and discover content. It's often referred to the front page of the internet because of its wide variety of topics and discussions. To get started on Reddit, you need to create an account, and it's easy, just follow these steps. You can go to reddit.com or download the application on your mobile device or your computer. Next, click on sign up and now provide your email address, your password, and complete. Now once you've created your account, it's time to explore the Reddit interface. Here are the main components, the home page. So this is where you'll find a feed of popular posts from various subreddits. And if you have no idea what subreddits are, these are the subreddits. These are individual communities centered around specific topics, interests, or themes. You can find it right here. Next, upvoting and downvoting. You can express your opinion on posts and comments by upvoting, which is the liking, or downvoting, which is the disliking. So you can just tap on these icons right here. This for the upvoting and this for the downvoting. Next to comments, simply tap on this message like box and engage in discussions by leaving comments on posts. Next up, we got finding and joining subreddits. Reddit's strength lies in its diverse communities. To find subreddits that match your interest, use the search bar to look for keywords. You can explore popular section for trending topics or check out the all section to discover a wide range of subreddits. Now ready to join the conversation? Here's how to post and comment on Reddit. You can tap on this plus icon from the bottom. Next, choose the subreddit you want to post in. Write your title and content. Also add relevant fares if available, and finally click post. Interacting with the Reddit community is essential for a meaningful experience. So be respectful and follow subreddit rules. Avoid content that you like, engage in discussions, and reply to comments. Also use Reddit's messaging system for private conversation. So for that, you can just tap right here. To start a conversation, tap on this chat plus icon. There you go. Now, before we wrap up, here are some pro tips and etiquettes to enhance your Reddit experience. Number 1. Read subreddit rules and guidelines to use proper formatting for posts and comments. Number 3. Avoid self-promotion without contributing to the community. And number 4. Be mindful of your privacy and personal information. There you have it, a beginner's guide to using Reddit. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on this fascinating platform. Remember that Reddit is all about connecting with like-minded individuals, so go ahead and explore the diverse world of subreddits. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more contents like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.